Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your charging port in iPhone. It doesn't matter what model of iPhone you have because this port can be damaged by some uh, trash, some dirt, and it can get to this charging port, and you can have some problems with your charging your iPhone. So how you can fix it? First, you need toothpick. So just take your toothpick, and also just try to clean your charging port with your toothpick. So just take it to your charging port and just clean this charging port with toothpick. So sometimes it helped me. Or second way, you can also try air cleaner, and you can also use it for cleaning your charging port. But also you need to do it carefully, so just try not to damage your charging port, because if you damage it with toothpick, it can not charging anytime more. So you just need to do it carefully. But also many times that I have problems with my charging port in iPhone, I just solve it by the solution was to take toothpick and just clean it from different dust and dirt, and everything works perfect. So just try. I hope I help you. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.